Hello guys, welcome back. I hope that all of you are doing great. In this video, I will discuss about one critical tampering condition of a single phase meter. It is named as a neutral missing or single wire operation of a meter. In this video, I will also demonstrate this condition practically to you. So let's start with this. So let's discuss about the tamper. As the name suggests, it's a neutral missing or a single wire operation, right? So this means that one wire is missing from the meter. So here in my first picture, it's a normal working of a meter where you can see that it's a supply from an electricity board and coming to the meter, to the phase and the neutral part, and its output is going to the load. This is the normal working condition of a meter. And in the tampering mode, that supply, the phase is going to the meter but the neutral supply is cut, right? And the output phase is coming to the load and its neutral is used by some other source, maybe by a ground source or by other means. Okay, so this kind of a connectivity in the meter is known as a neutral missing or a single wire operation of a meter. So this is one part. Second one, as per the tender specifications, neutral missing conditions, if the load is more than 1 ampere, then your meter will detect it as a neutral missing condition or a single wire operation. And in some tenders, this can be less, like 0.5 ampere or other number. Second thing, tender specifications also says that when neutral missing condition happens or this tamper happens, then your meter will measure the energy at 240 volts and unity power factor. And maybe some tender specifications say this thing different, so that the user who has done this kind of a tampering should be penalized or get a penalty in terms of its kWh will be get increased or will be become more. So I will demonstrate all these things practically to you. And in my next video, what I will cover, how this tamper is detected in the meter and how the meter works in this kind of a condition, because here only phase wire is going to the meter, and power consumption in the microcontroller, right? And the fourth point, I will also tell you about its design flow in the hardware and also in the firmware. I will cover all these points in my next video, else this video will become lengthy. So let's do the practical. So okay guys, here is my setup for demonstrating the single wire condition of a meter or the neutral missing tamper. So first I will explain you the setup. Here this board is the main board from where the phase is coming, and it is the input to the meter, red wire, and black wire is my neutral wire and it's the input to the meter. And output, the yellow wire is the phase output and goes to the load socket, and blue wire is a neutral output wire which goes to the socket. And for a load purpose I am using this hair dryer. Okay, so this is a setup, and this meter is from AMTL company. You can watch this. And I have other couple of meters. One is from HPL company and one is from other company. So first let me show you the normal working of the meter. So just I am going to switch on the hair dryer. Now it is switched on. And you can see the pulse. So let's switch off the load. Now I will prepare the setup in which I will show you the single wire operation of a meter. So please wait. So okay guys, this is a use case 2 where I have done the setup for a single wire connection or the neutral missing connection. Here you can clearly see that only the phase wire is connected to the meter. Okay, and the phase output yellow wire is coming to the load. And in the load, the neutral wire can be connected to your earth or some other source. So if in this case, if I switch on the meter, or let's say assume it this supply is coming from electricity board, so here you can see that meter is not switched on, right? So now let me switch on the load. Here is the load. I am going to switch it on. Now it is switched on. So here you can see on the display meter is switched on and its neutral icon, here is a one icon is coming, this icon shows the tempering condition, and it is also making the energy. So okay, hope that the connections are clear to you. So guys, I hope that with the practical all the things are clear to you, and I hope that the contents of this video is useful to you. So please share, subscribe and like my channel, and thank you very much and have a nice day.